InkSeine is a new inking application from Microsoft Research. InkSeine lets you search for stuff in your tablet and then gather what you find back into your notes. Here's how I use it to really get the most out of my tablet PC.
Hey Raman. Hey Ken, how's it going? Have you seen this new Surface computer yet? It's really cool stuff.
Oh wow, I gotta check that out.
Yeah, and while you're making notes, can you get back to me on my emails? I need to know where we're going next on this project.
Alright, I'll get on that too. I need my coffee though first, I gotta be able to think. The real truth is I also need InkSeine to think. Back in my office with my coffee, I circle my Surface Computer note. I choose the scope of my search. For Surface Computer, I want to search the web. InkSeine recognizes a search term and shows the results below. This result here looks like the right one, and there it is. I've gone from inking to search results just like that. Now this Surface page looks pretty cool and I want to think more about this. I'll add a blank page to my notebook, tap on New Page, and let me capture a snapshot of the Surface logo here to decorate the page. I do this with InkSeine's floating tool ring. There it is. I want to get back to the Surface page, so I'll drag the result out of the search panel and put it right here by the Surface logo. Now that's a nice looking shortcut. As I browse through the site, I can gather more stuff right here on the page. Look at this scenario with sharing photos. That's cool. I want that in my notes. Now I've got that too and I can mark it up. Cool. I do this for all my web research and now I have a really sweet launchpad for my web browsing. When I see cool new stuff on a blog, I can put the news stories right in the margin. Now I've got a great collection of all the stuff that interests me. Alright, I'm at work, so I better stop all this web surfing before I get myself fired. I flip back, and now I see that I've still got Raman's request on my to-do. What I really need is for Raman to code up some of the ideas that Shen, our summer intern, developed for us last year. Now I was thinking about Shen this morning, and I already created a search for him on my to-do. All I gotta do is open the search again, and here are all my emails and documents and stuff that I did with Shen. That's a big advantage of having all my searches saved in place, right in my ink notes. Now here's a key email from Shen. I'll add that to my notes. But there's a lot of stuff here. I'm not gonna scroll through all that. Let me just see the Word documents. Yes, here's a couple of the docs he prepared for me. I'll need those. I remember he had a presentation too. Let's look at the PowerPoints. There it is. I'll add that too. Now I've got all the information I need to synthesize right here with my search. Let's open that presentation. Here it is, this piece here. This is what I want Raman to work on. Let me grab that. I'll mark it up, and now I can send it to him. I'll fill him in the details in those other documents later. It really makes my life a lot easier to have all my stuff right there, accessible with the stroke of the pen, saved with my notes about the project. InkSeine has these quick gestures I can do for common commands. So for example, since I use InkSeine a lot, I know I can just stroke down in a document to open it. See, there's Open in the menu. Once I learn where Open is, I can get at the document in a fraction of a second. It's fast and really feels nice with the pen. Now some of these gestures and things are going to be new to a lot of people, but InkSeine has some nice training wheels built in to get you started. If you're a newbie, these really helpful highlights come up and show you how to do things. Scroll, make a little spiral. There it is. Drag into notes. Okay, I see how to do it now. Then I can just close these things and they're out of my way. There's even a little comic book tutorial that helps me get started fast with this tool. Everything's explained in a few simple steps. Man, that looks like fun. This shows you a little bit of how I can use InkSeine as my ultimate tablet PC notebook. I can access all the content on my tablet and lots of interesting stuff on the web without ever leaving the comfortable pen and ink experience. Together, all these innovative features of InkSeine really help me get the most out of my tablet PC.